Everybody here has a job that makes the university better, and when they do it well, it matters. In the Samuel Ginn College of Engineering, having a clean and functional laboratory is of critical importance to our ability to meet our mission, to conduct our research, and to teach our students. On a daily basis, the members of the facilities team make sure that we have conditions that are beyond our needs, allowing us to do work that really sets us apart as a university from our competition. The facilities team's work ethic is demonstrated in the classrooms and the labs that they care for. They embody how much they value not only our students, but the buildings that are kept under their safeguard as well. We are always extremely appreciative of their professionalism and their support.
Auburn University is subject to a multitude of environmental regulations. Risk management and safety helps to promote these responsibilities, and the best management practices designed to meet them throughout campus. The successful implementation of these BMPs associated with hazardous materials, oil-containing equipment, pollution prevention, stormwater management, all help AU not only to meet their environmental requirements, but also to ensure that our campus is maintained and beautiful.
Each year, the housing department knows that we can depend on the maintenance staff to provide a large volunteer workforce for Move Index. They see you exhibit the hard work that is outlined in the Auburn Creed. By putting the needs of these students and their families on such an important day of their lives before your own, you are exhibiting a commitment to service.
As an Auburn family, we work to provide our students with an outstanding university experience. To make them feel welcome, we want to ensure that our campus is attractive and well maintained. Auburn Facilities works consistently to ensure that every space here is a place we're proud to call home. With friendly customer service, a responsive work order system, and an innovative team, they demonstrate professionalism on our campus.